Thanks, Jade. 7:08 our time now as we continue to watch the latest here with Cindy. Again, the storm is not as impressive as it started looking last night, and then now some drier air is coming in. You can see it actually with some breaks in the clouds kind of wrapping around the center. You start seeing that, and it's kind of losing some of its characteristics of being a strong tropical storm. When the new update came in here at 7, we still have winds of 60 miles per hour with the system, as some of the rain still kind of wrapping around it. That may be some of the stronger winds have been and some of the rain bands, but notice the overall coverage of rain over top of us, not as bad. Yesterday looked like this big shield of rain, which we did have all day yesterday, all night long last night as well. But now we're seeing more of a scattered about rain. Now the system will move onshore here as we get on into tonight and early tomorrow morning, not too far from Port Arthur, right around Sabine Pass, Louisiana-Texas state line. Then tracking farther up to the north and into the Tennessee Valley. As it sits still off to our west tomorrow, still bring up some rain bands, but they're going to be scattered, nothing too widespread. However, some of the rain bands today could produce maybe some waterspouts or tornadoes. So we do have a tornado watch for much of South Louisiana until 10 o'clock in this morning. Now again, the coverage of rain, not that shield of rain we saw all night long. When I came in this morning, we still had pretty good rain coming in around 1:30 this morning, but now we're starting to looking at, again, just some scattered about rain. Now it is starting to fill up the radar a little bit. And we'll see again some rain coming on in from the Kenner area back to Waggaman over toward the spillway area, Norkill, Laplace. Some heavy downpours continuing for you. So you drive across the spillway will be quite with some heavy rain. CBD hasn't had much rain really the last couple of hours here, other than a few sprinkles moving on in. Across the lake, you can see some heavy rain there in the midpoint. Mandeville, some heavy downpours coming on in. Same for Covington area back to Madisonville. But if you look at this, kind of the rain spreading up toward Folsom, Franklinton, and farther up toward the Kentwood area eventually. We'll see around the Amite around 7:16, that batch of rain coming on in. Kentwood around 7:28 this morning. So still looking at some pretty good rains coming into your area. But notice down here to the south, that's drier air coming in. And as that moves in, that's helping to limit the amount of rain, giving us just some scattered storms as the drier wraps around this upper level low and Cindy itself. But deeper moisture continues to stream on into the surface, so any rain that does fall would definitely be heavy at times. Now, Alex, how much rain have we picked up so far for the day today?
Yeah, checking it out since midnight, Dave, some locations have seen up to about 2 inches or so. Hill, Mississippi has gotten 2.3. Slidell about 2 inches. Waveland close to that. Mandeville more than 1 inch, and Laplace as well. Now we're looking at New Orleans only getting maybe about a ½ inch or a little more that we've recorded in the New Orleans area since midnight. Metairie a little more than that. Thibodaux, same story, about a ½ inch to 1 inch. Grand Island, Franklinton 2. But as Dave said, we could be adding to this. And then yesterday, of course, we got anywhere from about 1 up to 5 inches of rain. So it looks like those total kind of system rainfall totals we've been talking about, 4 to 8 inches through Thursday night, will probably still hold, because we could still see another maybe 3 to 6 inches of rain. Notice that's what the Euro model said. The Precision Cast model showing that drier air affecting some of these, especially maybe western areas around the river parishes and some of our North Shore spots too, but still could see, as you can see over to the east, maybe some higher totals. So again, we're seeing about 3 to 6 inches as we move through today into tonight and tomorrow. So still heavy rain possible and expected, in fact, but as Dave mentioned, it will be a little more scattered. Today, windy with the scattered showers and storms. Precision Cast showing the rain heavy at times, moving through still with that pattern from the southeast to the northwest. As Dave has mentioned too, a couple of strong to maybe severe storms through the daytime hours today. And then tonight, things may begin to wrap up just a little bit. Tomorrow, we still have a high chance for some continued showers and storms with heavy rain, but we may see the rain kind of tapering off during the day into tomorrow night. Now for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, for your weekend forecast, we warm up, we see more sunshine, and we also keep rain chances about 40 to 50%, not so much Cindy related to the remnants of Cindy, but more just afternoon showers and thunderstorms with a trough of low pressure. So do be prepared for more scattered downpours into this weekend, but again, the big tropical threat will be going down, it looks like, by tomorrow night.
We'll take a look at the